In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Order Invoice from Amazon app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Amazon shopping app. Then from here, make sure to log in. Once you've logged in, you want to click onto the U icon on the bottom of this page here. And now from here, we want to click onto where it says Orders. And now once we're here, you just simply choose which invoice you want to download. So go ahead and choose the product and download the invoice. So I'll just quickly show you how to do this. So for example, I'm going to choose this hybrid clear case. So I'm going to click onto that. And now it's just a matter of scrolling down to the bottom of the page. And where it says order info, go ahead and click on download invoice. And some items have invoices, some don't, so just be mindful of that. So I might go into another one and see if there's an invoice. I'm going to choose this speaker here. I'm going to scroll down, and now from here I'm going to click on download invoice. All right, so there's no invoice is not available. So if you want to get the invoice for certain products, and if you get this error message, just what you do is just contact the seller and just say, hey, can you send me an invoice for that product, right, and they'll go ahead and send you the invoice.